Hey everyone, welcome back. Crown Geek here. Whether you lost your laptop on the subway or realized it was stolen from a coffee shop, losing your computer can send you into a full-on panic. Because laptops are not only expensive, but they are also full of personal data, from work document and banking info to the family photos and website password. So today I will be sharing an amazing trick that can increase the chance of getting your laptop back, whether it's been misplaced somewhere or been stolen. So the trick exactly what it will be, we will be creating a welcome message on the login page like this you can see on my screen. So what will happen if it's been misplaced or been stolen, at the moment someone who has your laptop, they will open it, they will see this kind of message, and this can be so emotional with all your details that the chances are that they can contact you, and this message will melt their heart so that they can call you and let you know that they have your laptop. So at least it will increase the chance of getting your laptop back. And creating this kind of message is very simple. What you have to do, click on your Windows search, type here group, and from the suggestion you have to click on edit group policy. Now in case if you're using the Windows 10 or 11 Home Edition, then probably you will not be getting the edit group policy. For that, I have already created a video how you can enable the group policy editor on the Home Edition. You can watch that video and then proceed with this step. So bring up the group policy editor. Then from the left hand side, under computer configuration, you have to click on Windows settings. Then from the right side, click on security settings. Then look for local policies, double click on it. Then security options. And here you have to look for interactive logon. So press the I key and you will come here, interactive logon, message text for user attempting to log on. Once you get it, make a double click on it. And here you have to type your own personalized message that you want to be displayed on the laptop as soon as they get turned it on. So for example, I will type my own message here. You can just customize it or you can leave your own message. And I can type here, hello dear friend, this device holds not just file but memories and all my work data. If you got the laptop, show some mercy on the name of God and written on the number this. I will try to reward you for this effort and good work. God bless you. So similarly, you can create your any kind of message. This will depend on you that what kind of appealing and emotional message you create and type here. So once you are done, you will have to click on OK. Then below it says interactive logon, message title for user attempting to log on. Again, make a double click and here you have to type alert, or you can also type welcome. Anything else, it should be of only one or two name. Then click on apply and click on OK. And now you are all done. So now if I go ahead and restart the computer, and once I hit the any key, this is the first message that I will be receiving. Alert. Hello dear friend, this device hold not just file but memories, dreams and all my work data. If you get this laptop, show some mercy on the name of God and return me on this number. I will try to reward you. So this way I have requested him that it contain a lot of my information, and even I mentioned to reward him so that he can become greedy and he can try to return my laptop back. Even I mentioned my number where he can contact me, and this message will be appearing all the time whenever somebody try to start the computer. And after this only, once you click on OK or the enter key, then the login page will be coming up. So that's all guys for today, and hopefully this trick will surely help you in some way to get your stolen, misplaced laptop back. And if you found this information useful, please hit the like, subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.